right, let's see how far this goes.
Oh no!
Oh, that's a nice, soft, freshly
Dude,
shaved beard.
Yeah,
I can
man,
see.
your hair's getting too long.
Yeah.
So, for this project, we ended up crashing the drone,
We broke a GoPro.
and we lit a GoPro on fire.
Different occasions, both of those.
So we want to know, what is the craziest thing you've done with a GoPro? Hopefully, it's a story of how you broke it.
Thank you. This
Do it.
really
Go ahead,
relaxes
do
me. Okay. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hunt us down on all of our other social media. You can find us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and VidMe.
This is relaxing him. He's fucked up like 10 times before this, so. I'm Blake.
And I'm AJ.
We'll see you guys next time. You have a very soft beard.
Thank you.
Yeah.